These programs can be installed on any computer, provided you can install VMware on your computer. Download a free WinRAR Lab program and install it. Unzip and install VMware. Uncheck these two boxes. Go back to the downloaded files and make sure that your 4 parts of the program that you downloaded look the same as mine. If you see a -00 and number in the end of the file name, then rename the files and remove the dash, the 2 zeros, and the number that follows. Create a new folder and name it ECU Programs. Copy all 4 parts into ECU Programs folder and move the folder to disk C. Open the folder and unzip part 1. The other part files will be included in the extract, so no need to individually extract them. Open VMware on the desktop of your computer. Select Open a virtual machine. Point to this computer, local file C, ECU program, Windows 7 Pro VMware, Windows 7 tools4car.co.uk. Select Play virtual machine. Select I moved it. Select No and wait for the windows to load up. Select Restart Now. Now let's see what is on this computer. Here you will find 13 sets of clusters containing individual programs. Each cluster is labelled with a name at the top to help you navigate and select the relevant program, like VAG cars, BMW, Mercedes, Fiat, Ford, Airbag, IMO, ECU programs, Asian cars, French cars, and others. In all red clusters, there are more programs than are visible on the screen. Therefore, if you want to see more programs, click once on the icon of any program and scroll up or down. To launch a program, simply double-click on its icon. In this file, you can find a list of all the programs installed on this computer. Of course, if you want to install more programs on this computer, then you can do so. Here is a cluster of educational material where you can learn how to program and modify the ECU. There is also a folder on the desktop with more than 170 radio calculators. Below is a folder with the IMO database. And folder of dumb collections with IMO off. There is an X decoder program on the desktop. To activate it, double-press the icon, copy the hardware ID and send it to us together with your order number. When you receive the activation key from us, in the name field enter Tools for Car. And in the key space enter the code you received from us. You can also find WinHex program on your desktop. When you connect an ECU tool to your computer, remember that you need to connect it to VMware. So when you see this message, select Connect to a virtual machine and press OK. If this dialog does not show up, in the top left corner select Player, Removable Device, and make sure the ECU device is connected. If you have finished using the program, press the top right X and select Suspend. If you want to restart the program, press the yellow VMware icon and Windows 7. If you have made it to this point, congratulations. You have just installed the ECU Programs computer